You get ordered to go. You don't have to do that. You don't have to go police the crackheads on the streets of America. That's not what you signed up for. Don't do it.
Maybe
Call
you'd
that
like
number.
to go and distribute food at the food banks because people are hungry.
That's right.
And out of work.
That's right. Here's a guy. Here was a sheriff. He said, I came home, threw my riot gear off in the middle of my living room. After the last night, I'd be ordered to kill democracy.
Oh.
I resigned this morning. I'm too stunned and ashamed to touch it. I just witnessed another murder on TV, the murder of democracy. That guy must be like 6 months in.
Well, that has to be a pretty hard thing to do, right?
Has to be a young cop.
Has to be devastating.
Good for him. There's not going to be many more of those. Wait till one of these cops ends up shooting or cracking the head of their sister or their mother or their niece or their nephew. That's coming. They just shot a guy in Louisville who was the friend to the cops. He owned a barbecue place. He would feed cops for free. They shot him dead, left his body in the street for 12 hours. That's what you get for being nice to cops. I stay away from them. I don't want anything to do with cops at any time. Hey, this is the part where I tell you where our live shows are, but there aren't any. And then I would tell you to go join our premium, but nobody has a fucking job. So why don't you just enjoy the video?